So now I shall be moving on the next command after revolve, that is rail revolve. Okay, rail revolve and or you can call shift rail one, both one and the same. As you can see, revolve is the command which you can use it for making a round objects. And supposing if it is an oval curve, oval or rectangle, and you want to make it revolve it on all sides, then you have to use rail revolve. Okay, I will use this on this curve. First move this to center, move from mid to 0, enter. This is center. Then again mid, shift, center position. Yeah, the center. Now this is a rail curve. For this you need two curves, one is profile curve and one is rail curve. As we need two curves in shift rail, one is a cross section, here we will call it as a profile curve. For cross section we call it profile curve in the rail curve. So here I make a profile curve using arc again, but that profile curve will be half in the center, in the center. Snaps on, where I can get the exact center point, and here will catch midpoint. Okay. So this is a profile curve, and this is the one rail curve. Now surface rail revolve, select profile curve. In this you have to select the profile curve first, then select the rail curve. Okay, then start of revolve axis. So similar to the revolve now, starting with 0, enter, and you should be on top of this curve. Shift, press shift always so that it should be straight. Okay, this way. Enter is your revolve. This is revolve. This is also revolve from all sides similarly, but in a rail manner, the shape of the rail. Similarly, you can do it on oval, so enter. Again, go to rail, select profile curve, select rail curve, 0, enter, press shift, click it here, see this. The same when you offset this, you can check how it happens. Offset this 2.6, okay, then blend it. Join. Okay. Now let me try. While practicing, you have to practice for different ways. You can understand what happens. Okay. Rail curves. Select the profile curve. Select rail curve. Start of axis 0. Enter. Again shift. Okay. See. Now what it has performed? It's different. It's not a solid. Now it is a solid, but here it's hollow. Why? Because the curve was different. See, the curve was different, so it became hollow. And if you want to pack it, what you will do? You will just draw a curve here and offset it in this manner, and then revolve. No? So because I have done this offset, you got a thickness for this. Remember this, take this in mind. Okay, and that's why this is a solid. This is not a single surface, this is a solid. It is a surface, but it is a closed surface. Why? Because it is done by one single command. Okay, you cannot export this. By creating the same thing, I can use sweep rail one. Let me try. Select rail, select cross section, enter. Let's see now. This doesn't happen properly. Okay, you have to use rail. So for certain things you can use sweep rail one. For this type of things, revolving things, you can use rail revolve. Okay, this is it. Then we move to another command, offset surface. Very important command. These are not so useful. Variable fillet surfaces and chamfer surfaces are not much used. Okay, to fillet curves and then convert those into surfaces. That is a better option, because while filleting surfaces we have naked edges which are not proper for cam. So usually we always fillet the curves and then convert those curves into surface. Let's go for next command, that is offset surface. This also, now supposing explode offset surface is there, offset curve. See, I will show you in both. This is one surface and this is one surface. A single surface, if you offset, you want to offset it upsides 1 mm. You can flip it by anyhow by using the flip option. Okay, 1, and if you press enter, now see the distance of 1 mm it has created from all over. Similarly this one, because this is a default layer, that's why this surfaces come into this layer. I keep this time solid. This was a simple offset loose. Now I keep it solid and I press 1. See, this is converted into poly surface, directly closed poly surface with one single command. Okay, it has created 4 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 surfaces, but 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Well, offset command is very useful. You have to draw one surface and just offset it solid, then it is converted into 4 sides. Okay. This again I will show you. Offset. If suppose I want to inside, click inside. Both sides, which you want, both sides will become solids. 1.2 enter. See, this is gone inside 1 point. Both sides you want, if you click both sides, it becomes from this surface. This will be 1 mm. This will be 1 mm, or required 1.2, 1.2, which you had given. Okay, let me show you once. Both sides, solids 1.2. I want solid only, but 0.5, 0.5. You see, my surface is here, in this between this 0.5 here, 0.5 here. It is offsetted. Okay, so this is offset surface.